How to remove a nickname on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open a Facebook on your device. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now tap on account center. Now simply tap on profiles. Now tap on the Facebook account and tap on name. Now tap on manage other names. Now on this page you can add a nickname. Now tap on name. Now once you add a nickname and tap on save, it will redirect to the profile page. Then tap on edit profile. Now scroll down, then tap on edit your about info. Again scroll down. Now under others names, next to the name tap on the pencil icon. Then tap on delete name. Now tap on OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.